Hello my wonderful people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Okay my people, finally my steam iron is here. So I love it so much. I was waiting for my steam iron to arrive because I have missed what I'm doing. I've missed it. So which is ironing, mostly ironing my kids' clothes, my kids' outing clothes, their school clothes, their bed sheets, their cutting also with my clothes, my husband clothes, our bed sheets, our cutting. So I love it so much. Now this is the cup. I'm going to unbox it and see what is inside, but I know what is inside. I want to see the massive things that is inside this carton. So the carton, it was well packaged. That is why I love it so much. I also love the color of this steam iron because I love steam iron so much. Oh my god, look at this massive steam iron that I got for myself. So I so much love this steam iron and the color. Look at this massive steam iron. So it was well packaged. I love it. And if you are a lover of a steam iron, please go and get one for yourself. If you love ironing things like clothes, your kids' clothes, your outing clothes, their school clothes, their bed sheets and the cotton, go and get one for yourself. Look at this portable steam iron. I love the color. So I love it so much because that is what I love doing so much, because I love to iron clothes, cotton, because anytime my cotton is wrinkles, I don't love it. I don't love it. So that is why I got for this steam iron, because I have the regular one before. It was not okay for me. Then I ordered one steam iron, so that one is spent more than 5 years with me. I've used it more than 5 years. Then I have to order this lovely and massive steam iron. So the steam iron and the regular iron, they are not the same because I've used the both. So I just get this lovely one for myself. The steam iron has an inbuilt water tank to store water for heating and steaming. This water tank is not available in the regular dry irons. The water tank usually has a capacity for approximately 150 ml, which can be used to sprinkle and throw the steam on wrinkled clothes to make them grease free. So the benefit of this steam iron is that the steam iron penetration can make the ironing process quicker and more efficient. It can also help to refresh clothes and remove odor. The steam iron also helps to relax and so soften fabric fibers, making it easier to iron out wrinkles. So that is why I so much love this steam iron so much. Just look at this portable iron. Oh my god, so I love it. Then you have to go to the manual and read it so that you will understand, because it was written in Dutch and English also. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.